In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT lagging in long conversations. So if you want to head over and then fix it, I have in here an example of a long conversation. So first things first that we can do is we can head over and then sign out first into our account or log out. Then once you have actually logged out, next thing you need to do is to just log back in into your actual account. So from in there, click onto this login option, then click onto this login. And then after that, head back into your actual account. As you can see, I have logged back in. You just need to head back into your actual conversation that we have earlier. So let's head back and it should be able to be fixed right away. Another option that we can do is we can head over right here into your three dots. And then from in there, go over right here into your settings. Now in here on your settings, just search in here for cache. You can see in here this browsing data option. Make sure to click onto this cache and click onto this delete data. You should be able to free up some space that can actually accommodate this now. Next thing we need to do is we can actually check our actual computer speed. So you can change or you can check in here internet speed by going to fast.com and then checking in there if your internet is actually fast. Now, if you think that it's fast enough, then it should be able to resolve the problem. Another option that we have aside from that is to ask ChatGPT for a summary of your conversation. So if it's actually just a long conversation, give me a summary of this conversation. Now you can just head over and then paste that particular summary that it will generate into a new chat and you should be able to actually continue from that. Copy this, create a new chat, and then say something like continue this chat. Send in here what we have copied. And then from in there, it should be able to give us this and it should be able to open here a new chat that's more responsive for that. So that's how you fix ChatGPT lagging in long conversations. Hope we helped.